Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable dark mode on Google Chrome. So first of all, open Chrome browser and new tab. Search here Chrome Web Store. Click on the first link and search here dark mode and select this. Click on add to Chrome, add extension, okay, for example turn off and turn on. So that's how you can do it. Hope you are enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial river channel for more video.